Welcome to Epochs Across Eras. On this channel, we uncover the milestones, legends, and innovations that defined our past. Today, we explore the legendary Battle of Zhuolu, a pivotal moment in Chinese mythology where the Yellow Emperor's vision of unity triumphed over chaos, shaping the future of Chinese civilization. Over 4,000 years ago, China was a land of fragmented tribes and ceaseless conflict. Each group vied for control over resources, territory, and dominance. Amid this chaos emerged two formidable leaders with contrasting ideologies: Chiyou, the warlord of destruction, and Huangdi, the Yellow Emperor, a visionary who sought harmony and progress. Chiyou, known for his unmatched strength and mastery of warfare, commanded an army of fierce warriors and mythical beasts. His reign was marked by conquest and terror, earning him the title Demon Warlord. His goal was simple: to dominate all rival tribes and rule with absolute power. On the other side stood Huangdi, the Yellow Emperor. Unlike Chiyou, Huangdi believed in the power of unity, innovation, and collaboration. He envisioned a civilization where tribes could coexist, sharing resources and knowledge to create a prosperous society. The conflict between Huangdi and Chiyou reached its climax in the plains of Zhuolu. This wasn't just a battle for territory, it was a clash of ideals, with the future of the land hanging in the balance. Huangdi, understanding the scale of the challenge, gathered alliances from neighbouring tribes and sought the support of mythical beings like Yinglong, the dragon. His army, though smaller in number, was equipped with innovative tools and a strategic mindset, setting the stage for an epic confrontation. The battle began with Chiyou unleashing his fearsome forces. His army, bolstered by supernatural beasts, created chaos on the battlefield, overwhelming Huangdi's troops with their sheer ferocity and unconventional tactics. Chiyou summoned a dense fog to confuse Huangdi's forces, throwing them into disarray. For a moment, it seemed as though his victory was inevitable. But Huangdi's ingenuity turned the tide. Using the compass, an innovation attributed to his leadership, his troops were able to regain their bearings and regroup. This tool, revolutionary for its time, became a symbol of strategy and adaptation. To counter Chiyou's supernatural forces, Huangdi called upon Yinglong, the dragon, who brought torrential rains to neutralize the enemy's destructive weather. This act not only leveled the playing field, but also inspired Huangdi's troops to fight with renewed vigor. The battle raged for days, with Huangdi employing a combination of strategy, innovation, and sheer determination to overcome Chiyou's forces. Eventually, Chiyou was captured, and his defeat marked a turning point in Chinese history. The Battle of Zhuolu wasn't just a military triumph, it was the birth of a unified civilization. With Chiyou defeated, Huangdi established himself as the leader of all tribes, creating a centralized governance system that laid the foundation for ancient Chinese society. Huangdi's victory demonstrated the power of innovation, collaboration, and leadership. His ability to inspire unity among diverse tribes set a precedent for future rulers, shaping the trajectory of Chinese history for millennia. The Battle of Zhuolu is celebrated in Chinese mythology as a defining moment, symbolizing the triumph of order over chaos and the potential of visionary leadership to create lasting change. The Battle of Zhuolu remains a powerful story of resilience, strategy, and leadership. Huangdi's vision of unity and progress turned a fragmented land into a thriving civilization, proving that innovation and collaboration are the keys to overcoming even the greatest challenges. This story reminds us that true leadership lies in the ability to inspire, innovate, and bring people together. Huangdi's legacy continues to serve as a beacon of hope and a reminder of the transformative power of vision and courage. Thank you for watching Epochs Across Eras. If you enjoyed this journey into the Battle of Zhuolu, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep exploring the epochs that define us all.